G'day all, Mr. Wild here. Bit of work going on, done a fair bit of clearing. Shack's become a comfortable little stay and the family's loving it, so that is great. That's going to be a job in the coming weeks, dismantle that water tank. This trench here runs all the way down the hill. We're going to take advantage of someone's past efforts where they never got to finish it. I'm going to put in some pipe. The water tank on the hill will then be our water supply, drinking water. So here we are, the water tank. Found out this was once installed as a firefighting tank. Turned out to be a failed venture. What I'm going to do, dismantle the 4 sections. That'll be the roof of the camp kitchen. And we're going to install some water tanks, put some roofs over the top so we can collect the water. This is our view from the hill. The once was, I'm guessing it's stables. We've decided to turn it into a camp kitchen. Somewhere for friends to come and stay, bit of a social area. I'm going to put the water tank steel, cut it in the quarters. I'm going to drape it over this somehow. Sure, we'll get it to work, at least for starters anyway. And then down here, this will all be kept short and green, and eventually we will have some sort of a camping ground for people to visit. Just forget that one.